Let's take a look at this example. This time we're supposed to multiply two numbers with powers of 10. In this case, we're supposed to simply perform the multiplication and apply the properties of exponents. I can rewrite this problem as 6 times 2. We're supposed to multiply these two numbers together, okay? And also I'm supposed to multiply these two powers of 10 together also. So I have 10 to the third times 10 to the fourth. 6 times 2 is equal 12 times 10, and this time I'm supposed to apply the properties of exponents. Anytime I multiply two numbers with the same base, I'm supposed to keep the base and add exponents. I'm going to have 3 plus 4. I have 12 times 10 to the 7. I'm supposed to express my answer in engineering notation. This is not engineering notation because exponent of power of 10 is not multiple of 3. Okay, just keep in mind that anytime number will get bigger, exponent is going to get smaller. So take a look at what we are going to do. I'm going to make my invisible decimal point visible, and I'm going to move my decimal point once to right. And let's take a look what will happen. I'm going to have 120, my number got bigger, exponent got smaller, so I have 10 to the 6th. The number on the left side of decimal point is between 1 and 999. And my exponent of power of 10 is multiple of 3. That's why this is the correct answer to my problem. Let's take a look at the second example. We're supposed to again perform the multiplication. Let's rewrite the problem first. I have 1.2 times 4 times 10 to the 4 times 10 to the 13. Because I have multiplication everywhere, I can rewrite this problem like this. Multiply these two numbers first, and the product you have to multiply with product of these two powers of 10. 1.2 times 4 is 4.8 times. Anytime you multiply numbers with the same base, you're supposed to keep the base and add exponents. That's why I'm going to have 10 and 4 plus 13. So I have 4.8 times 10, 4 plus 13 is equal 17. 17. Now, the number on the left side of the decimal point is between 1 and 999, but exponent is not multiple of 3. Okay, I have to change this exponent to 15. Why to 15? My exponent has to get smaller in order to make this number bigger. Why? Because I cannot move my decimal point to the left because I'm going to create 0 on the left side of decimal point. Remember, the number on the left side of decimal point is supposed to be between 1 and 999. Okay, the difference between 17 and 15 is 2. Exponent gets smaller, number has to get bigger. I have to move my decimal point twice to right. That's why I'm going to have 480 times 10 to 15. The number on the left side of the decimal point is between 1 and 999. Exponent is multiple of 3. That's why this is the correct answer to my problem.